This is how beautiful the bank looks.
'Cause with you by my side, I gotta ride or die. We'll be rebels, you and me. Sailing towards the sun like we're shot from guns, living in a fantasy.
Hey guys, so I'm starting today's vlog really late. It's 5:30 almost in the evening and it's really very sunny here. Wait. Alright, so I was unable to see actually. And if you see the weather, it's very beautiful weather today. I'm currently at the terrace of my house and it's beautiful out here. So today we basically have a different set of plan. That is, today the 21st of July is a birthday of one of my school friends and we are going to celebrate it but in a different type. Like I had told you, the river Ganges, it's really near, very close to my house, and today we are going to that the banks of river Ganges with all our school friends are going to gather there and we shall celebrate his birthday right over there. So let's pack up, let's dress up and let's go. So I'm all ready to flaunt in my Punjabi, and my friend Shoham of school, he is a school friend, so he has also come. So we'll be going on his bike to the Mio Amore, which I showed you last day. We'll buy a birthday cake from there and then we shall go to the banks of the river. So let's go. Yeah, so we shall go in Mio Amore to buy the birthday cake for Priyanshu. Another friend will come and after. So finally we have decided to buy this cake for Priyanshu. It has been delayed by 1 hour due to this rain, and now probably none of my friends have come except 3 of us. So let them come and then we shall begin again. This is how beautiful the bank looks. So finally the rain has stopped, our friends have arrived and we'll have the cake cutting ceremony. Cut! Hey! Happy birthday to Bansu! Are you cut the cake, idiot? Happy birthday to Bansu! Happy birthday, dear Bansu!
Lovely dear Bansu.
ভালো আসছে
You are a virgin for life.
Autumn breeze, blue skies and golden leaves, and I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. Amber eyes, you're giving me butterflies, so I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. 'Cause with you by my side, I gotta ride or die. We'll be rebels, you and
Oh my God! I see the way you fight. Look my eyes.
Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.
Ban, tell something on this auspicious day in favor of Priyanshu. Baner
The person who dared, who extracted water from benzene, who dared to extract, he couldn't, and he dared to extract water from benzene, which none of us
were possible.
The thing is what happened. The man who popularized Benzema before Benzema becoming what he is. Bansu, the man who blurred soccer in some. It was a dark speech in the.
Bansu, how are you feeling now?
Yes.
Basically, the thing was I wanted to extract benzene because
20 years on planet Earth. Yes. So, what have you like? What is the most important experience that you have gained these 20 years?
The lesson should be that this shouldn't be your last birthday.
last birthday when you're sober.
Tail?
So the experience which I've gained all these years is nothing less or nothing more. But life will fuck you every moment, every second. But you have to fight back. You will have one opportunity in life where you can fuck life, and then you have to do it.
वाह वाह yeah. चलो. So we gifted a nice Punjabi to our birthday boy. Show us the gift. Hey, সব করিস না ভাগ.
আবার আসবে না নাকি?
Hey, show us the gift. Show us the বার কর.
Awesome, you are just.
Copa. Vote of thanks. Vote of thanks.
28 বছর পর যদি
English.
28 years later, if Messi can lift the trophy, then I can also be awarded with this
Punjabi. So that's it for today's vlog. We shall meet tomorrow in a new vlog.
Fuck you.
Please
Don't watch his vlog. Watch vlog ever. Don't watch it. Hey, strong.
So last day actually I after coming back from the party I was too tired and I went off to sleep, so I'm ending this vlog today. Okay, so this vlog I am posting a day late than I should have. So I just loved the atmosphere there. I know like there was this rain which came suddenly and it almost crashed our entire plan. But nevertheless, when your school friends, when someone with whom you have spent 13 years of your life, when they meet, when they gather at a place, no matter what the condition is, it's always the best. And this was something which I felt that entire day, no matter what the weather was. Like the fun we had, we had the beautiful butterscotch cake. After that, one thing I forgot to show actually, we also had some chicken rolls and the birthday boy had brought that for us, and also a little bit of cold drinks and everything. So yeah, I just loved it. I loved the reunion. I loved the reunion yesterday. That's it. I'm ending my vlog here. We shall meet tomorrow in a new vlog, in a new day with a whole lot of new excitement. See you all, and do let me know in the comment section how did you like this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Meet you soon. Good night.